Good morning, guys. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and this is the situation right now. There's a snowstorm today, and it's going to last for the whole day, I think. Let's see. How is it over there? Oh, that's how high it is. Look at our car. If you can see. There. There. That's how heavy it is, guys. Oh my god. Someone's shoveling already and don't know if people can go to work with this kind of snow. Okay guys, it's 11 in the morning right now, and this is the update outside. Still snowing hard. Okay, let's check how deep is the snow. Oh look. Go. Oh. It's 12 o'clock. Oh my god. Go over there. There.
We have to clean this place too. Go. Move.
He's going to shovel now. Pwede sa ano yan? Sa ano? Sa halo-halo. Pinong-pino. Daig yun yung ano. Ano ba ang halo-halo yun? Yung masarap sa ano? Pampanga. Rason. Rason sa halo-halo. Let's go. Okay guys, mapapalaban na yan si John. Yan ay na-shovel niya. Di ka nga nag-work. Mag-work ka naman ito. Oh my goodness. Lamig. Hindi kaya ng pants ko, magpapalit ako. Let's go. Okay guys, tulungan natin si John mag-shovel. Nakakaawa naman siya mag-isa. Yun no, ang sipag mo Kaya sana pumasok ko na lang. Wala nga dadaanan. Hanggang gabi pa yan. Look guys at our backyard. Ayan guys, kukuha tayo ng asin. Wala yung atsura ng asin. Para lang siya, parang lupa. Ang kulay, pero asin yan. Asin yan guys, asin. Ayan. Yung asin dito, di lang sa pagkain ginagamit. Mabigat. Ay, di ko kaya. Pati sa ano. It's too heavy. I cannot lift it.
Kuha lang, cup.
O, cup lang. Tapos ano dito. Okay guys, lalagay ako ng asin sa yelo. Para umalat. Hindi, para matunaw. Yan, asin po yung black one. Hey, what are you doing there? my goodness. Whew. Pupuin ako. Sa snow. Oh, rosy chicken na. How can I help? Palit na putik. Yellow. Mira! Look at our car. Di mo siya nalibig. Look at this place, guys. What is this? Is this a car?
Sa dulo yung hawak.
Pwede ba piso? Dollar po isang ano? Tutulak ko na lang.
Okay.
Maaligang. Ay, dapat igagano nga. Suwasangga. Oh my God, guys. Kanina, ang putla-putla ko. Now I'm red. It's so hard to shovel snow. Mabigat. Yan, papayat ka niyan. Free car wash, free car wash. Look at this logo. Nice, nice. Free car wash. Kawawa naman ang aming car. I don't have any road to get here. Yeah,
Kasi doon sa likod, magaan pa. Kasi hindi pa nasiksik pa.
Hindi na.
Parang
Hindi na.
kulang lang. Ito, bigat na to.
magtrabaho na magtrabaho. Sayang ang binabayad ko sa inyo. Hindi nga pumasok. Wala kang kalsada.
Wala ako pala dyan.
Alam mo, meron ano dito, job hiring, yung shoveling, snow shoveling, $28 per hour.
Sasabi?
Oo.
Mano-mano? Hindi na. Sa oras pa lang eh.
Oo, wala.
Ay, mas malakas ngayon na yun. Kahahani na, ampon-ampon lang. Mira, come here! Let's play! School is done! Yay! It's so deep! Daddy! Ay! Are you throwing?
Help! I'm buried.
I'll bury you.
No, please.
There, Almira, come, let's go.
Let's make a snow angel.
Aba, may nagpumapala sa akin. Make a ball, make a ball. Miraka, let's make a ball.
Help me, Tita.
Ayaw mabuo eh. Oh.
It's right here. Help!
Almira, come here. Ah, you got the frostbite. Oh, push. Push.
Okay.
Push more.
I can't.
No, push more.
Only this one can work.
No, here. It's up there already. Okay, then it's fine. Put it under your...
It's me. We're gonna throw a snowball to Daddy!
Ay, para sa akin ah.
Help me! Help! Go fast!
Ayaw bumola to. Look up, Almira. Ayaw mabuo.
Help me!
I hope you get out of there. Ooh. Come here. Okay. Take a video.
Hi guys. So Tita Rhoda said I'm in charge of her for digging her. So
I can't get up. Almira,
yes,
stand over there. See how tall the snow is. It's about your height. Look at our car. Goodness. Ah.
yes.
Yeah. Huh?
We're gonna find my shovel.
So we're going to look for Almira's shovel. Where is it?
Somewhere. It might not be in here.
What color is it?
It's blue.
I don't see a shovel here.
Maybe it's in the shed.
How can you open the shed? Tell me. You cannot open that.
Yes, we can.
Okay, go. You open it. I won't open it. Look at Almira's dollhouse. Has the snow too. And inside also has snow. Okay, tell me how you open that. Is it in there? Are you sure? Huh? Amira,
I got a dig.
are you sure it's there?
Yes.
Really? Go dig and dig. Dig
Help me.
first.
Go tell my dad.
Maybe it's not there.
It is. He always keeps shovels in the shed.
Oh, go. Take this one. Almir's trying to lick the snow over there. Tell me if it's salty. Is it salty?
Yeah. A little bit sweet.
A little bit sweet?
Mhm.
Oh. Okay, we should go in the front.
Let's go.
Look at our house.